I have something nice to say about every piece of furniture that we have. However, I am just imagining people from AbFab with West Coast coolers and VB sitting around this torturous table.
Love those mixed metaphors. I had to fight for this one because I really saw the potential in it. What I saw when I saw this was...
Was it West Coast?
No, it was just... I don't know. I just liked it. And we went back to the store and I thought about it and I imagined it white and I imagined having breakfast out on the patio or in the grounds. I think we can do something
You didn't imagine blue, aqua and gold,
No.
did you?
No.
Or check out these little princess buttons.
And there's three. I love how there's
It's
three.
like boobs and a belly button, isn't it really? No, look, I do see a vision. I'm a massive rattan fan.
Yeah.
I think I literally was just a little bit scarred. Like, it's not even rattan anymore. It's some stained, aged, orange version.
It's not pretty, but I think it can be.
I think she will blossom. With a bit of paint, a couple of spray cans.
Look, we paid under $200 for it.
True. Lifeline?
Yes.
Lifeline this one was.
Yes.
And look, I think if we do, now this is going to be outdoor,
Yep.
so we need to be really conscious about what we treat this with. It needs to withstand much more than a normal piece of furniture. And accordingly, I do believe that she will bloom when she has some beautiful florals with her.
That's going to be beautiful.
It is. It really is. I'm a massive fan of contrast, and because this is going to be used in multiple places by multiple people, even though this is one of my favourite fabrics of all time, I put that under my pillow at night at the moment. I love it that much. But I believe that this one's hardier for being outdoors. I believe that the darker colour will wear better, need less cleaning. And I also think if we're going to go a white, which we are, a really crisp white on this will be a really nice contrast for it. So I'm leaning towards this, but we can maybe decide once we've painted it.
I'm going to warn you, I'm going to look for some more too.
Pieces?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to see if I can find a couple of sets of this. Because I do love it.
I'm just going to buy shares in the spray paint company, I tell you. Shares. I do love it too. I will love her. I'm not rejecting her. I will love her more, I am sure. It'll be okay.
Yeah.
All right. Goodbye. Now this one was a really easy one to make over. First, I needed to give it a clean down and then a really light sand. And for this one, I did use a sanding pad as I do find it so much easier on curved surfaces. Now to make sure I got the bind that I wanted, given this has been highly polished before and it's going to be outdoors, I used an aerosol primer first. So I used a Zinza primer. Then it was as simple as 2 top coats. I chose to use a White Night product in a gloss white. I find the gloss is just that little bit easier to clean things down when grubby little hands get on them outdoors. And voila, it is done. For tuning in. Now make sure you're following me on Instagram for all my latest design and renovation inspo. You can find me at Naomi Findlay Official. See you soon.